Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy S21 Ultra case from Spigen called the Thin Fit case. Now, just a full disclaimer, obviously I haven't gotten the phone yet, but the reason for this video is for the people that want to buy their cases early so they can have their case before the phone actually gets here, aka people like me. So that's what this whole video is about. And I'll be going over it and comparing it to my old S10 Plus case that's also from Spigen and showing you the differences between the two. So now that that's out of the way, let's just unbox it. I like how it's easily unboxable via this tab right here. Makes it a lot easier than most cases, and it just slides right out. So if I put it right here, it comes in this protective packaging, which is always appreciated and is easily just taken out. And we can see right here, it's very nice, minimalistic, and just looks aesthetically pleasing to match the Phantom Black phone that I got. The black isn't exactly the same as the Phantom Black, but you know, it's close enough and it looks really nice. The one thing that I was a little annoyed about is stickers. I really don't like stickers in smartphone cases, especially when they're hard to take off. So let's see if this one is hard to take off. Okay, let's see. I did it. Wow, I'm actually very surprised that I was able to take off the sticker in one whole piece, because if you look at my old case, I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, but there's a crack right here because I had to use scissors to cut the sticker out. I know it's dumb, but you know, you live and you learn. I didn't think it was going to scratch it. But yeah, so let's get over what this phone case is made of. This phone case is made of polycarbonate instead of TPU like other cases. Now what that means is that it has a hard back like this, so it's a harder shell and it's more of a rigid design. Now the difference between this case and the Ultra Hybrid is that only the back part of this is polycarbonate. The sides are what you would call TPU material. Now what is TPU? The difference between the two is very simple. TPU is more of a rubbery, flexible design. Polycarbonate is more of a hard shell design, which is what this phone case is made out of, the one I have here. Now, the problem with TPU is that, well, as you can see here, it yellows over time. And that is the reason why I didn't get a clear case this time, because I didn't want to see this yellow edge around the whole phone case. Now, for some people that just don't care, hey, you can get this phone case as well. Just know that yellowing will happen over time. It won't happen overnight or anything crazy like that, but it will happen. I'm glad that this case is made out of polycarbonate because it's more of a rugged, nicer feeling material to me, in my opinion, but that's just personal preference. Even if it was made out of TPU, you obviously wouldn't really tell if it yellowed over time, considering this is all black, so that it is very appreciated as well. It's very nice, you know, it's very smooth to the touch, everything's very nice. The one thing I don't like, I don't know if you guys can see in the video, but the name is pretty big and it's kind of like indented into the phone case, which means you have ridges, and that may lead to stuff getting inside the name. As you guys can tell, I had to air can it because something got in there and I couldn't get it out. So that might be a problem for some people. Maybe they won't like that, but it's very minimal. I like that it's easy on the eyes, you know. It just matches the whole Phantom Black aesthetic. And this phone case is affordable as well. It's only $20 on Spigen's website. And if I remember correctly, the Ultra Hybrid case, which is right here, is $29.99. So this phone case is $10 cheaper, but comes in a matte black finish with a softer touch to feel. But this phone comes in a more flexible design. Now obviously it's still rigid from the sides, but it's more of a flexible because of the corners and edges. So it all just comes down to personal preference. Both of these phone cases are very nice, and I would recommend either of them to anyone who wanted a case for their S21 device. Let me know what you guys think about these two Spigen cases in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.